Okay, so what I'd like to do here is demonstrate an equilibrium reaction in solution. In the Petri dish here, I have a solution of potassium thiocyanate. For us right now, the important ion here is the thiocyanate ion. Next, I'm going to add a few crystals of iron 3. Because technically it's iron 3 nitrate. We'll see what happens. So you can see the dark red that's forming there, and that is the iron cyanate complex that is forming. The dark red color tells me that the solution is heavily favored towards the right-hand side of the system. Now, this may not look like an equilibrium system, but what we'll do is change the concentration of the ions to show that we can apply Le Chatelier's principle to this system. The first thing I'm going to do is add a small amount of a chemical called sodium phosphate monobasic. And this chemical is going to pull some of the iron ions out of solution. So if you look at the equation, by adding this chemical, I'm going to be reducing the concentration of the iron 3 ions. I'm going to do this step by step, because if I add too much too quickly, it'll get too light. So you can see immediately that the solution has become lighter. So by decreasing the concentration of the iron 3 ion, the equilibrium shifts to the left and I produce more of the iron 3 ion. Let's now shift it right again, and I'm going to do that by adding more thiocyanate ions. So here's the thiocyanate, so it's a white substance. And if you see right where all those crystals came in, it's a little bit darker. And if I mix it up together here, we'll see the solution gradually get darker. So now by increasing the concentration of the thiocyanate ion, that's increased the rate of the forward reaction, and I've shifted the reaction towards the right-hand side, and the solution gets darker.